This is how much you can make investing $1,000 into Hexther Finance in 10 days, over $7,000. Yes, in just a few days, so it is a good place to invest in. Today, you will learn everything you need to know about Hexther Finance and how they can offer this insane 8,229% ROI, and then stay till the end for the final rating of the project. So in this video, I will cover what is Hexther Finance, how much you should expect to make, my professional review of this project, is it a scam, is it a good investment, should you invest in this project? AV here, and today I will do an in-depth review and rate Hexther Finance, a new tomb fork on the Binance Smart Chain. I share a new video on DeFi every single day, so let's get into it. What is Hexther Finance? It's another tomb fork, a pure copy of Tomb Finance but on the Binance Smart Chain. And it uses an algorithmic token named Hexther that is pegged to the price of 0.1 BNB via seigniorage. 10 Hexther tokens should be pegged to 1 BNB in the long run. How much can you make? Hexther Finance currently offers 22% daily return on your investment, and as always, this is not sustainable. It will only last for a few days. And at the current rate, you should make more than 100x on your investment if the money compounds daily in a year. What rating do I give to this project? I will dive deep in Hexther Finance and give an investment grade plus my professional review. This project will be rated on a scale of 1 to 10. Is the project audited? XeroXguard did the audit. All is good. A white hat hacker checked the code. Full point here. How does the chart look like? Their main token Hexther is getting closer to its peg, but it is still way above peg. Their reward token called HEXSHARES lost over 100% of its value. Not good at all. I give them 0.25 points. Are they anonymous? Of course they are, but they are KYC by XeroXguard, so if they scam, their identity will be revealed. Full point. Do they have a strong community? They have over 900 followers on Twitter. They definitely have a real audience, over $370,000 in TVL, and over 2,200 members on Discord. We can conclude that they have a strong community. Full point. Checking the domain name. They've registered on OVHSTS, a reputable company, on the 26th of January. The rest of the informations here are masked as usual. 0.5 points here. Is their product unique? I will say it again, it is a fork, not original at all. The only difference here is that the project is on the Binance Smart Chain. No points here. Is there enough liquidity? Their main token Hexther has a market cap of $160,000 and with over $130,000 in liquidity. Nothing special here, but at least they have enough liquidity, meaning you can easily buy or sell your tokens. Full point. The code analysis. For some reason, Token Sniffer does not allow me to check the audit of Hexther, but I am here on BSC check, and they find it scammy. Not any problem with any honeypot. The ownership is not renounced, meaning they can maliciously mint tokens. There is a liquidity issue, a suspicious burn function was detected, and there are LP issues. Less than 99% of the tokens are burned or locked. The biggest holder is the developer, and he or they have more than 2.1% of the tokens. I consider them as a whale. It's not looking good. I give them 0 points. Are there whales that could dump the price of the tokens? There are over 170 holders of the token Hexther. Most of the tokens are in the smart contracts. This is great as always, and I got just one problem. The developer has more than 2% of the tokens. It's a whale. There's only one whale, so I give them 0.25 points. What does our AI predict? We have trained an AI using thousands of crypto projects data that have been launched in the past, and according to our AI, the future of Hexther Finance is negative, meaning it discourages investing in this. So 0 points here. What is the final rating? Well, out of 10 points, they scored 5. Not bad at all for a tomb fork. It's enough to be considered as a good project. So we will now check the website. The origin section is where you can farm to earn a share. Then there's the HEXGATE, which is the boardroom, in other words, where you could earn 9,900% APR, and when the time-weighted average price of Hexther is above $1.01, in other words, above peg, the HEXGATE will not mint any Hexther tokens, meaning this section is useless unless the price is below peg. Then there's the void, the bond section, where you can buy Hex bond the bond tokens when the time-weighted average price of Hexther is below peg. If Hexther time-weighted average price is between 1 and 1.01, neither Hex bond nor Hexther will be issued. Is it a scam? It's definitely high risk. There are red flags in the code analysis, but we can't know in advance if it's a scam or not. So far it isn't. Is it a good investment? Should you invest here? Hexther Finance is enough to be considered a good project. Now, this does not mean that it is safe. It is still very high risk to invest here, but if you're looking for a tomb fork where you can put money, you've got no problem of losing. This project is interesting with its 22% daily return at the time of recording. You can follow my Twitter at Colin0x. I share some crypto gems on there, our AI crypto price prediction on my free newsletter. If you would like to get more in-depth review of new crypto projects, please subscribe and click on the notifications bell to not miss any videos. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.